Hello everyone, welcome to our channel MS Sukani Private Tuition. So today we are going to start about Standard 9 Maths NCERT plus CBSE chapter number 1 number system. In that exercise 1.6 question 2 find. Okay, so we have to find the value of 9 raised to 3 upon 2. Again 9 raised to power 3 upon 2. So first of all we will take out the prime factor of 9 as explained in question number 1. So the prime factor of 9 will be 3 3s and 3 1s. Okay. So instead of 9 we will write 3 multiplied by 3, 3 multiplied by 3 and bracket we will write 3 upon 2. Now 3 is 2 time repeating, that means 3 raised to 2 power 3 upon 2. Now the relation between both the power will be multiply. So here we will write 2 multiplied by 3 upon 2. 2 will be cut. So our answer will be 3 raised to 3. And 3 raised to 3 means 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. And 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Our answer will be there. Okay. So let us move to the second one, that is 32 raised to power 2 upon 5. So first of all we will take out the prime factor of 32, that is 2 1s are 2, 1 will here carry over, 2 6s are 12. 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. Okay. So let us count the 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So instead of 32 we will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and we will do bracket and raised to power 5. Now 2 is repeating 5 times, that means we will write like in the power form, that is 2 raised to 5 and bracket 2 upon 5. Now the relation between both the power will be multiplication. Okay, so here we will write 5 multiplied by 2 upon 5. Here 5 will be cut, so our 2 raised to 2. And 2 raised to 2 means 2 multiplied by 2, so our answer will be 4. Okay. So in this way we had completed the second question. Now let us move to the third one, that is 16 raised to power 3 upon 4. Okay. So let us take out the prime factor of 16, that is 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. Now instead of 16 we will write all these 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by raised to power 3 upon 4. Now our 2 is repeating 4 times. So we will write in a power form 2 raised to 4 and 3 upon 4. Now the relation between both the power will be multiply. So 4 multiplied by 3 upon 4. Okay. Here the 4 will be cut. So our answer will be 2 raised to 3. And 2 raised to 3 means we have to write 2 3 times. So 2 2s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. So our answer will be 8. Okay. So let us move to the fourth one, that is 125 raised to power minus 1 upon 3. Okay. So first of all we will take out the prime factor of 125. So let us see the prime factor for 125. 5 2s are 10, 2 will remain, 5 5s 25. Again 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. So here the prime factor of 125 will be like this. Now instead of 125 we will write 5 3 times, raised to power minus 1 upon 3. Now 5 is 3 times repeating, that means we have to write 5 raised to 3 and our power is minus 1 upon 3. Now you know that the relation between the power is multiply. So 3 multiplied by minus 1 upon 3. Okay. Now here the power 3 will cut. So our answer will be 5 raised to minus 1. Now as you know that whenever the power comes in negative, the base will become reciprocal. Okay. Again I am speaking, whenever the power comes in negative, our base will become reciprocal. So we will write base as a 1 upon 5. Okay. And our power will become as a 1 positive. So this is known as 1 upon 5 only. So in this way we had calculate the sum number 4. The main thing is to remember the rule of negative power. Okay. Whenever the power comes in negative, our base will become reciprocal. Reciprocal means the numerator will go downstairs and the denominator will come upstairs. This is known as reciprocal. Okay.